Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, I'm Bella, and today we're putting up wall decals right behind my bed here. So it's gonna be so fun. I had them in my old apartment, and now we're putting them in my new apartment here, and this time they're flowers, so I'm super excited. So let's get to it. Alrighty, so these are the wall decals. I'm gonna cut each one out so that I can tape them to the wall to see where I want them, because last time I did this, I didn't do that, and we missed a couple spots. But I taped up my bed where it is so that I know to not put it in this section. So yeah, let's start cutting these out. Okay, so I just cut all of them out and I put them into two piles. I put all the super big ones in one pile and all the little ones, like the little leaves, in another pile. So I'm gonna go make a coffee and then we will start sticking them with the tape on the wall. I organized all of them into groups so that all the similar ones were together. I'm gonna start with putting the two really big ones up first and then work around putting stuff around them. So let's do that. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is use this nice flat edge to scrape them onto the wall. You wanna make sure they're super flat so it doesn't peel off the wall right away. So let's do that now. This is stressful, but it's very soothing. I'm loving how it looks so far, but it's very stressful. I feel like I'm shaking. I could never be a tattoo artist. Do not hire me to put wall decals in your house. So this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm just gonna fill in all the spaces. This is it all done. Look how good it looks. And this is the final look with my furniture back in. Looks so good, yay. So much for watching, guys. If you like this vlog, like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope you like my wall decals.